me to ka bonda ma to de po chu jen la kha ru no to cha tong che che ya ka lu ki me ko che rong se la te yo
Raja namchi me to kangla phubi lakar chino konsa chamu chamu choliya gondan ja chalgu shiwe ni ki chongar tu chen thole phebi ane kamron to ni dr sobi sigai chodang an ta na singi sani gi ni tong sohain ane te mai mi tada tora zoi ane te tang jegi tu jeng a puri thanso ta poni cheto la ya japcho nani gi kamra na ba tang ani misai tin de na ba ta ni sa share chila ani poni mi ta ja ka che ya ani shivi ki to ya ka ni chuni ta ashi ki ta di chala ani jarchi ka ya pon nangi shiram ki lata ki ni tang ki to ya ani ligar peni gi ani bolamba Dr. Jampa ani tu sini terinde ani atu sini dela pe sa mase tering atu jawab boche gonda jadi chakri sivi kumdong dela ya pewa bi ani atu sini temba da chuchia tam jumse nili tembe thoni ani jarchi kala tuta chiong di sambani ngaranso mambo chira thugu yo di samba ani khongi tanda parta kili jabe ala ani tuji chesho chigdi teni ta terinde Matu poma saya tik tamade, si orang itu dalam, dalam ni syukur agaknya ni mesti masih baik tering deh, misal ke thora cika, ane misal ki, kata dosen cika ni tak caya ni, dia matu poma cika, ni poma ni, ane gua tak caya ni jenis mana ni, jauh macam konsep ni, zaman syukur yang ada, sendiri tak caya ni, sampai naya ni. Let's go to the Chinese.
And the all-important sense of the oneness of humanity. During our trip to Dharamsala, we were also extremely privileged to meet with the Sikyong and the members of the Tibetan Parliament in exile on a number of occasions. The rich Tibetan culture and traditions were showcased to us, as was the everyday life in exile. Very importantly, the advocacy work being done every day in Dharamsala, continuing to push for the freedom of Tibet and the Tibetans around the world, was also shown to us. Last year, here on the Northern Beaches, I was extremely honoured to receive the Sikyong here in Makella and to again hear him speak and to host him in an afternoon tea and gathering. And just last week in Parliament, my team and I were also very privileged to meet with Dr. Dalai Lama, the leading expert on China's education policies inside Tibet. Dr. Dalai Lama, as you will hear, has provided an eyewitness testimony about the state-run boarding schools in Tibet. This is a very important issue which my colleagues in the all-party Parliamentary Friends of Tibet and I will continue to raise inside the Federal Parliament here in Australia. During all my meetings with Tibetan people both inside Australia and outside Australia, I have heard repeatedly how incredibly grateful the Tibetan people are that Australia has provided refuge and hope. I will also do what I can to support the Tibetan communities here in DY, that aspiration to have your own community centre where you can meet and gather and come together to continue to learn those wonderful dances and traditions that you have. I will do what I can to support you in that. Lastly, I want to say just how proud we are in Mackellar to have such a large and vibrant Tibetan community. We are extremely proud of you, but I would also like to recognise that this celebration represents the successful striving of so many here in Mackellar to preserve and to protect your wonderful culture in a land that is very distant from your homeland. As the federal representative of Mackellar, I want to say that we love and we cherish your community and your culture, and we thank you for your strength, your kindness, and your resilience. I also want to let you know that I will continue to advocate on behalf of the Tibetan people.
Holiness, may you live another 100 years, 89 years. we will get, as he gets older, he gets frailer. And as he gets frailer, we have to get stronger. We have to get stronger to keep that energy that he has given to all these people and the whole world, to give it all to us. And we have to share that with one another. It's getting to the point now where
the Tibetan community from Sydney who travelled down to Canberra and joined with the Canberra Tibetan community and others to make sure the message was heard loud and clear by CCP leaders like Lee Kuan. And we know it was heard. You can see it on the news footage that we actually saw our protests and heard our protests and heard you all saying, "Free Tibet and long live the Dalai Lama." So well done to you, all of you who came to that day. The Tibetan flag was raised high over Canberra that day, and I congratulate you. Thank you. It's so important for others all around the world, and we wish for him a long and healthy life. It's auspicious that the Dalai Lama will be in the USA for his birthday, as both the US Senate and Congress in a bipartisan agreement passed the promoting a resolution to the Sino-Tibet conflict act, self-determination, This act in the USA confirms the State and Government Department's responsibility to work with other governments, including the Australian government, in a multilateral effort towards the goal of a negotiated resolution to the Sino-Tibet conflict. The stated goal of having the Chinese
Thank you. 라서 벤절라. 소파 들래. 야, 안에 가데 다치라 가데래.
사람도 드링 겨울 무슨 중간 주제라 아니 오스트레일리아는 로치를 찾아줘서 아니 드링 추라 동역이 지금 것도 봐.
어야.
망보지 땅에 지을 때 말아 아니 추라 동이 지라 민도로 제가
라서.
아니 추라도 쓰는 소리 추라 뿌다 셔져래.
라서.
추라디 아니 그런 추라는 식 말해 지당에 추라도 있나 다라로 쓰고 와. 아니 찾고 당 규모로 그래. 디 추라디 어마한 게
라서.
아니 뭐네 그런 어마한 게 제. 아니 추라 빼 신고래.
라서.
아니 디 추라디 추라로 어디 제와.
라서.
아니 추라디 아니 tukpa당 창고도 뒤졌다고 그래.
라서.
아니 디 추라디 찾고 칼림봉당 바유당 뒤졌 정도 와 뒤잖아. 디 찾고래.
라서.
디 뒤긴도 사야 돼. 아니 디 샤방 안도 때문에 가서 로사 좀 주고 열어라.
라서.
어디 아니 디 추라 나무 이리 와. 아니 디 진이 잔다게 디 추라 십십
라서.
디 박사 먹고 담담만 되게 비어래.
라서.
아니 디 튀래 벽이다. 주먹 많이 박아 튀.
알래.
아니 도전에 추라 나가 응아당 튀잖아. 아니 나 도스지야.
라서. 안에 저런 사람 녀는 가데 콘데 제오래. 대원하대.
나는 니 가발 남bat에는 가발 나나 가든지 지는 이거 알아다. 지당기 머니스가다 게나다 돈에 단단 tul아 리기도 맞추라 땅 이제 버리 나게 여사기 땅도 그래 나이가.
야야야.
아니 개가네 추라 땅도 그래 와서 니 개가는 추라 땅도 그래 걔랑도 똥도 말을라 가든 거.
맞아.
자리 땅다 뒤에 말아.
네.
아니 무슨 자리 땅다 뒤에 두고 말 제가 아니 추라 딘데지 레라 안 듣고.
라서. 안에 가지 저런 저런 거에나 년디 오들 저런 카보도 레와서서 차선 샤셔. 안에 저런 빼야도 다 그런데 저런 저런 쓰셔들어. 빼야도 도체. 야.
아니 나랑 로바도 너 저만이 이제 저만 세번 남다.
로바 제로. 하하 도체.
그런 거 베링 지에서 서로 로바지 이제
도체. 땡큐.